Hey y'all, and join me for a very special unboxing today. We are going to be unboxing Prada Baby. Thank you again, Nola. Okay, so here we have the dust bag and your bag. You're probably gonna get yours with everything attached. Obviously, you're gonna link your chain like so to here and here, and then your strap and then your pouch. And you can loop your keychain just about anywhere. I love this bag. I actually already have this bag. It's one of my favorite bags. The keychain alone I adore. I literally use it for everything, like a regular keychain. The strap, it's so sporty, it's so fun. I literally have worn this to work because like I do things with my hands, and this is just like, I know it's design, it's nice, but it's such a handy bag at the same time. I can literally go for work out into the street, into like happy hour, and like be sporting the same bag. Like it's so comes with a chain, so you can obviously detach the strap and kind of wear it like this, or you can leave it hanging for more of like a, I don't know, like edging type of vibes. Comes with obviously tags and your cue cards, and as you've seen before, your nice little box. So if you like this bag, I'm actually going to be giving it away. All you have to do is comment, like, subscribe to my TikTok, my Instagram, and my YouTube. You can comment as many times as you want, tag 3 people, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.